Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick video between Urban Decay Primer Potion and Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Now, I had only just tried Urban Decay Primer Potion. I was always kind of turned off by the old packaging, which was the genie bottle, and I don't like to buy more of a basic product than I can use at once, like foundations, powders, etc, etc. And so I just recently just about finished my Too Faced Shadow Insurance. You know, since they had changed it from the old genie bottle, the Urban Decay Primer Potion, I decided just try it out to see how it was and maybe hopefully give a quick review on it. So if you guys don't know what Urban Decay Primer Potion or Too Faced Shadow Insurance is, basically they're eyeshadow primers. So eyeshadow primers make your makeup last longer, and also it makes it more vibrant. So, you know, that's kind of cool, especially for oily lid girls such as myself. You know, I just have oily skin, so it's very hard to keep makeup from sliding all over the place. So you can get both of these at Sephora. They're about the same price point. Urban Decay Primer Potion is $19 and Too Faced Shadow Insurance is $18. And they have basically the same amount of product. Urban Decay Primer Potion is 0.37 fluid ounces and Too Faced Shadow Insurance is actually only 0.35 fluid ounces, but that's pretty much exactly the same amount in both of these tubes for pretty much the same price. And these two are basically pretty much the most celebrated eyeshadow primers. You know, some people like L'Oreal Decrease, other people really like the e.l.f. Mineral Primer, but it's usually a competition between these two for the best eyeshadow primer. So these both dry clear, they're not pigmented or anything like that. And upon initial application, this one's a lot more fluid, it's a lot easier to spread. The Too Faced Shadow Insurance is actually a little bit thicker, but I do believe that's a lot more concentrated as well. With the Urban Decay Primer Potion, you want to be sure to let it dry all the way. One reason why sometimes people get premature creasing when they use eyeshadow primers is because they don't let it dry down all the way. If you don't let your primers dry down all the way, your cream liners, whatever you're using as a base, then what happens is when you put that eyeshadow on top, it traps in the moisture. So as far as creasing goes, which is probably, you know, people's biggest concern, I actually do think Too Faced Shadow Insurance works personally better for me. So a lot of people have tried both of these and they say that, you know, they work the same, or some people say the Urban Decay Primer Potion is better. For me, the difference was very clear. When I went running with my makeup on, just to or my eye makeup at least, just to try and see which one creased first. And after about an hour of running, Urban Decay Primer Potion had creased pretty much in all the folds of my eye, and Too Faced Shadow Insurance hadn't creased at all, so I was very, very impressed. I've actually worn this for a 14-hour day. It was disgusting. I hated it, being out for 14 hours for the full face of makeup. But it actually really does help a lot with creasing. Also, even if you don't wear eyeshadow, if you just wear eyeliner, it helps to keep the base underneath as well. As far as vibrancy goes, now eyeshadow primers are also used, you know, to bring out the true color of an eyeshadow. Since it's stickier, it makes the color a lot more concentrated, so it's true to real life. And I also found that Too Faced Shadow Insurance was the clear winner as far as vibrancy goes. As far as the ability to prevent creasing, I do think that's like kind of objective to the person. You know, for some people they say one works better, some people say it's the other, some people say it's, you know, like the same. But as far as vibrancy goes, there's no discrepancy between the two. When I dabbed it side by side, this one was so much brighter than the Urban Decay Primer Potion. So, I don't know, that's basically my 2 cents on that. So I really do think that Too Faced Shadow Insurance is a much better buy. It's cheaper, it makes the colors more vibrant. You know, as far as creasing goes for me personally, it helps a lot more with creasing. But that is pretty much it. So I really do think that I'm going to probably return this to Sephora. Sephora's a good return policy. And then I'm just going to get another tube of Too Faced Shadow Insurance because there is, like I said, no competition for me on which one was the better eyeshadow primer. So I hope that was helpful for some of you guys, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.